it. Whether you like it or not, oh, Captain be your guy. London, London, all of us must go.
Captain! Hey! Captain! Captain! The only visa! Hey! They only get it to our visa! Hey! Captain! They key way to our London visa! Hey! Welcome back! Captain, have fun now. Hey, I don't say you could write my name for people with a good side. See, Captain, this eye where you dey look me, no be the main thing, no. Forget this, my body, forget my size, eh? Also, please, I may not. If you want to for bush, so for room, for hot, any place, I have suraj and surok, no, go. Haven't come on a parents so be I never I go as in how would the yow. In a minute, you can have good in mum down there, but I have good in down. You make us see what I'm a will swag at London. The good I didn't make a London. Listen, Garaba, only there Elizabeth and there sharp. Captain.
Are you done fooling yourself and your generation? So you stopped me on my way because you want to vomit this rubbish out of your mouth. How dare you? Do I look like somebody who molests a little child? Eh? Do I look like a pedophile? No, just talk to me. Do I look like somebody who wants to commit sacrilege? Or you want people to start looking at me as somebody who commits child abuse? Are you alright? How dare you talk to me in that manner? How dare you? You little brat.
Captain, any style, whether dog style or monkey style, any style. Style na style. Forget my body. I go do and well pass those people where you give. Forget them. Asabi do well. Sharp. Knock. On your block, I got wrong way.
Ha! Obi adade daigala na shi. Obi kina adage daigana kanduku ekegala nide. You will rubbish me. You will give me monkey style. Eh? Just look at little monkey. Look at this little mbrokwa. Mbrokobo. Wait a minute. Peradventure now, both of us are moving into a hotel. What do you think people will say of me? Or what would people expect? Or what would you want people to say about me? That I'm moving into a hotel with a child or an adult? Where do you belong? Huh? Guards!
Yes, London Captain.
London Captain has been insulted. Do your work. Move it.
Henry, this is why you won't sell everything. What's happen now?
Jude, you no go understand. You no go understand. When see, you know say my name come out for those people who are that one carry go England. So I want sell my saloon so that I go use the money travel now.
Oh! You follow for people who won't go England? Even an Obiada that they wait for now. Once Obiada they don't come. See me, see departure. See me, see England. Now, I won't go.
Wow. You self won't even travel. You no tell me since.
I won't go England. You know say I be Chelsea fan. And as I reach England now, I go enter Stamford Bridge. Once I enter Stamford Bridge, I go there. I go there, start picture, Instagram lifestyle. Yes, now.
See you. You know say if we reach there, how you tell no say that Queen of England, that wicked woman go feel allow us. Waka go snap picture or go even go watch ball.
Henry, you are very funny somebody, oh. See, even the Queen of England is waiting to receive us. Me, I can't just wait to go to Chelsea.
I beg, call my company, may we go shop, may I go check.
Have fun. Now that is where you say you won't sell. If I sell them for you, you go give me something.
No. Come, may we go shop if we reach there.
I don't want follow.
In person now, you go help me be my man.
I don't want follow you go shop. I won't go prepare myself because I won't go England like this.
You know why I company me go shop again?
Now go shop, make I go prepare for England.
If you see somebody who go feel this that thing, I beg you help me. I beg.
I will help you find time.
It's my man now.
But you go give me cut too.
Huh?
You go give me something.
You don't have 5%. Now what you
You
want
go
to
give
do
me
for
something.
If you want to go London, come and see.
Where is that fool? The imbecile, the uncivilized fool. Where is he? The foolish boy that has been collecting money from people in this village. He's been busy deceiving people. I won't take it from you. I'm here to see him. What's the meaning of this?
Dad,
I'm here to see that fool.
let her in.
You call yourself a PA, a common personal assistant, not even a personal advisor. Who are you? You collected a huge sum from my son and you don't want to refund it. I'm here to take that money. You must give it to me. You cannot deceive me. I'm educated. I know my left from my right. I sent my son to the university to graduate with a good grade. And you spend your time deceiving him so that he will bring money to you. If you know that money he gave to you, refund it to me. That's why I'm here. I'm here to collect the money my son gave to you. You've been busy deceiving people in the village, collecting their money, sleeping with their girls. You think we don't know? Yes, you cannot deceive me. I know what I'm saying. Imagine you, an ordinary PA, personal assistant, not even personal advisor. Eh? You think you can deceive me? I need my money because I'm not going to leave this compound until you refund that money to me.
You've got you have guts.
Yes, I have.
You have guts to step into my father's house to rant like a dog. Do you know whom you're talking to? A captain of London. A captain that Queen Elizabeth herself called me on phone begging me to take this post. I refused, but she forced me to do that. Is it the person you're talking to like that? Are you talking to me like that? Do you know my position in this community? Do you know what I represent here and over there in London? You have the guts to enter here and start shouting like a market woman. I pity your husband. And if you don't step out, if you don't leave this compound here right now, I will treat you like a London rat. Out of my compound, you stupid woman.
I take exception to that because I will not step an inch. I will not until you refund the money to me. I will call the police down. Refund the money you collected from my boy. Are you willing to cooperate? Or do you want it the hard way?
Look into my eyes. I am not afraid of you. You can raise your dead husband from the grave. I am not afraid. If you don't leave here now, I will treat you like an animal. Leave my compound now.
I, Lady B, will not step an inch.
Captain Bioga. London, London, all of us must go. I said I be London captain, visa full my hand. If you want to go London, come and see me here. You run an interview, I give you interview. You come for interview, I must feel all your view. I be London captain, your visa in my hand. I said I am London captain, visa full my hand. Whatever you want to, you lay my hand here.
Hey, madam, you're welcome, Mao.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You look still tiny. What's wrong with you?
Madam,
all my money, you've been chopping.
Madam, pocket empty.
Empty.
Hey, I go.
By the way, why is the lister on?
Okay, lister. At the pump water. So, once I off pumping machine and I put lister for una since I don't come back. Put AC for una since
so
I
they
don't
don't
come
even
back.
bring the light on at all.
Which light?
Okay.
How many
That's
years ago?
fine. Anyway,
Yeah, no
that's
belong
my
there.
daughter.
Whoa.
Sweetheart, that's Joe. the gate man, he's eating every money that I make. And yet, look at him. He doesn't put on weight.
Slim daddy, slim.
I'm sure you give it to all these girls around,
No,
right?
madam. I don't
You
change.
sure?
I don't change.
You don't change.
Yes, ma'am.
God will help you to change.
Yeah,
Now let's go, darling.
Sweetheart.
I'll come back
Hey,
home.
whoa. Woo. So you don't even sabi open boot. Eh?
Come on, carry bag where they carry. Come on here. You know no send airport tizer.
Airport tax waiting. Now they go carry motor where you know fee drives. They carry and give.
They happy say your madam don't come back from
Gimme.
London or Europe. You want chop dollar, be? See your pocket as empty. Now dollar you want control.
I don't blame you.
Carry bag, come out.
So
carry luggage.
person wey carry motor give you. Na airport gate man now you supposed to.
Na only mat you get. You want chop dollar. See your pocket. They happy say your madam don't come back. Come, make I help you. See this man.
I'm a cook go. I will kill you.
You are a hungry man. Oh yeah, carry your work, carry your load.
Also. I will see your matter now. I will clear your matter. I will clear your matter. Na. You say your name below the captain, Rondo waiting. I will go like you down immediately. Osbo. As you don't like my father's name, my mother's name, including my sister, you buy the down. You got me like a now. My bad give him now. You confirm good. My sister goes no. They said no. No good man. I keep me a cow. You can't much out of hospital. My plug and I use book. But tell me I was him here. I was him here. You see me, Jula. But he seems to see me, Jula. I mean, it's good job, you see. Eh? To question ask my name for this village. Let me be smart. Let me be small but mighty. I would think I will gonna be him. Look at him. David are growing at Lami. Lami be David. I'm a queen man. Bring down a book. What talk about here now? I still got a book. I go clear on the car. Maybe say you don't pass me, you don't short pass me. Eh?
Do you know what? I don't have time for this guy. Bring him from. Go get that place.
Look at. Nagisi. Ina mara ukele wena. Nagisi.
Yeah. Find a way. Throw him out the door. Move it.
Rada captain. Rada waiting. What can I do?
How could you flout my orders? Don't you all have respect for someone that has been in London for years?
Sorry, man.
Shut up! When I give instructions, I expect you all to carry it out word for word. You're sorry. Is that all you have to say? You're sorry? Ugh. Oh, who is that fool horning outside?
Let me find out. Please calm down.
Please do.
You're well done.
I'm so disappointed. I'm so disappointed. You all will keep kneeling there until I am satisfied.
Madam, please.
Shut up! The next time I give you orders, you carry it out word for word. Stupid!
Madam Tinted, you're welcome, ma. You are back.
You. Yes, I am. Obiadada.
Ma.
What is everybody doing in my compound? Who are these?
Oh, Madam Tinted, I know you're surprised to see all of us. But let me officially introduce myself and what all of us are doing here. For your information, I am the personal assistant to Her Royal Majesty, Queen Angelina, who just returned from London. We've been here serving her, doing all of that. Some of the maids are inside. They are serving their punishments.
London? Did I hear you right? London? What's going on?
Yes, London. In fact, let me get her. Oh, here she comes. London guard, please stand straight. Let's welcome Her Royal Majesty, the Queen from London. 1, 2, go! Pam 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 pam. London Queen is coming out, coming out, coming out. London Queen is coming out. London Queen is coming out, coming out, coming out. London Queen is coming out. Your Majesty.
Hey, madam.
Wait, hold on. Is that not one of the clothes I sent to be sold in the boutique? Mom.
Madam. It's okay. I'll take care of it. Hey. Angelina.
Ma.
I brought you to the city to take care of my boutique. And this is all I get from you. Really?
A common sales girl like you. I never liked you. Newsflash. Mom, I told you.
It's okay.
She's an ingrate.
It's okay. It's okay, darling. Listen.
No, don't be offended. Did I just hear you call her sales girl? Oh, maybe sales girl to the Queen of England, now Queen Elizabeth herself.
You heard me right. Ordinary sales girl, yeah.
Sales girl in London, alright?
What London? What nonsense London? You're still talking, right? What nonsense London? Did she tell you she has ever crossed to London before? A common sales girl in my shop. Managing my boutique in Alaba market.
Hey, Uma Prominish. Chirekwe, Alaba International.
Yes.
Go. Sada Ajambadi Sabu. Saba Ajambadi. Ajambadi Sabu. What is going on here? Angelina. Hey, Angelina, in your national tomorrow. In your national Tachineke. So, Angelina, you've been deceiving us all this while. Angelina, you lied to us. You told us you've been eating and dining with Queen Elizabeth herself. That even the son of Elizabeth is her fiancé. We all are preparing to travel to London with you. And you made me sleep around with... sleep around. You made me run interview. to so many families. Nakorosha nde mmadụ ego, asị m ego. Nakọrọ ndị mmadụ aha. Kwe ha nkwa na m ga-agbọ ha aga London. Angelina, what happened to Anti? Kekeke were nguru eji awụ ube kwajuo n'aka bịa ihe na-emere anyị Anti. Emere anyị love lie. Were before na ị ga-akwa n'isi kwa ebe ya n'anya aka ya bambam. Elu give him this I've been following you around, bowing down to evil spirits, bowing down thinking I will bow into London, but I'm not bow into backward. Useless girl. You would have not moved in love lie. Following you around like low class personality. Pagi bonye probo kona, I will look at uncle go berezi. Don't look at me, what will I tell people? Could I be like a stupid girl? I was here jubilating, thinking that my life has changed for better. I'm not sure I'm not frying pan, Kalaga ni moko. You know, Tori Karo Chatrato. Udele Bola. Bingo. Mwa. Amachakazi went to me. Mama, what do you give me? You turned me into a slave. A graduate like me. You won't get Arabina Labankate. Okoko Michael. Damn you. Damn you, Angela. Damn you. God punish you. Damn you. No, me we hitting him. Boom, come where she. So what I prove on him up in my home? No bread. I go get hitting him. And we take him. King Daham liar me. Obi dada. Obi mgada bugi makachineke. Mobi mada with the bugi one bastard.
Madam, I beg. Make I explain. Go.
What's up?
Joe, you get one man where they come look for me for this compound. He come boutique, come buy some things. So as I fresh like this now, he come think I get that place. So in they come, he think I me get the house.
Now waiting. So now waiting happen.
Anyway, as gate man where you be, you go maintain. So that don't worry, I go see you. You self, you don't defect. Madam. Good morning, ma. Yes, ma. We are fine, ma. We dey fine, ma. Una, 1 month's time, una dey come. Okay, ma. No problem, ma. Yeah. Okay. Airport. May I go airport? Yes, ma. I will go. Okay, ma. Joe dey fine, ma. Okay, ma. Yes, ma. Bye, ma. Any greetings, small madam, ma. Yes, ma. Okay. Joe?
Wait up.
Madam say make I go airport on Monday. Say make I go collect all in goods, all in luggage. He say in they come back in 1 month's time.
Hey, you don't show. I beg you, Angelina, I hear my name. You called you. You won't add money for my salary.
Only money you know for your life. Anyway, he say may I greet you. May I greet you.
Greeting they add money for personal account.
Hey. Just say, that's my plan. That's my plan where I get. That one where I tell you like 6 months ago. Say I won't flex for village. I think they come now 1 month's time. Hi. Have you run? I just go there, go perform, do my performance. I won't come back. You know, say they don't know say I dey here. They think say I dey London with them, madam. So wetin go happen? See, don't worry. I go give you now. I go flex. I go play. No worry. See wetin go happen. I go just go. When I just go, I go come back. Before he come, I go don't enter.
See. This your fake life. You don't dey me. What if now you can't go village now? Do all these things finish. That baru, if you come back, bagam, Madam come put head for village. Bam! People begin to tell and say, see you, she come village, you come they do say, I ain't do this one, I ain't do this one, I ain't get this one. Eh?
Which one be your own self? Guy leave matter for Matthias. That one are not. Madam no dey go village. For the past 3 years now, where they come go. He no like village. Anybody who wants to say, now here they come. So what go happen? Be say leave that one. He no dey go any village. Man, just go run my show. Come back. You know, as big babe, where I be here. You understand me?
No problem. You know my own na to just clean car. As I dey useless like this, as I useless rich. Once I wake up, I will just clean car, now be my own.
Thank God say you know say you dey useless. That's why I won't just use you for this one. But no worry, I go give you some money. That one no be anything, you know.
They go soon perform you. I got perform again. They will soon perform you. You know they hear word from man go come house. Make I be your no this thing enter my ear now. Say I be your driver. I be your gate man. You the mad? You the mad?
Jojo, hey, Anna, that's fresh.
Talk.
Person go dey play with you, go dey vex, mumu vex. How for you? Anyway, see, Joe. You know, say people for village don't know say I just be assistant for madam for in boutique. So me just come. They don't even know anything. Say I dey wash plates, na just just small servants, house girl here. Na I dey do. So as they don't know now, all of them think say I even dey London with madam. So what go gonna happen? Be say I don't come for my hand though.
MC Angelina no vex. You don't tell me this thing like 5 times now. You don't tell me like 5 times. I don't wait to make you land. You never land. Wait till you want me to do for you because now anytime when you want me to do something for you, now they come. Tell me. I'm all ears. I'm an. What you want me to do for you?
Calm down. You too forward. Now the thing I don't like for your body be that you too forward. Pam, jile pam. See. Anyway, see what I want to make you do for me. No hard. See you one of those your friends we never chop belle full. All of now. One of them, I want make you help me. Just the one way you trust oh. I want simple thing way you go do. He go just drive me go village. As we reach village like this, I discharge him. Then when I don't finish my movements, my performance for villa, he go come. As him come, just carry me go. Bam! Reach here. Case closed. Simple thing.
And 150,000 going, then 150,000 coming back. Everything at 300,000.
You don't even see 100,000 for your life before. I know what they do. See, what I get for you now 50,000, 50 pa.
Which one be 50,000? Eh? Which one 50 pa? See, if I give the guy 50,000, which I won't collect. Yeah? All those guys who they carry you come here. Eh? You know if you collect 300,000 from them.
Anyway, I don't hear you. I don't hear. Shebina that one you want. As long as they do what I want to, no wahala. I go give them. I go just go. Wahala too much, chef.
I beg go give me like this. I don't impregnate person for village. I beg, give me. I beg. I need the money.
See your life.
Money.
See your life.
I beg the money. I beg.
Just call person wey go do the thing for me.
Now the money.
Madam, Biko, na so I take come back village, come turn to London now.
Hey.
I just want flex small. As people just look me, say I don't come back from London. I come collect them. I beg, madam. Auntie, I beg, I don't do them again. I beg. Forgive me. I beg on buy them.
Forgive you, you say?
Yes, ma.
You left the city to this village. You start wearing the clothes for the boutique just because you want the villagers to believe what you're not, yeah? Mom, she's an imposter. I know. I know it's okay. I'll deal with it. You took over my house. You took over my properties. You destroyed everything I suffered to keep. You, Angelina. I will deal with you. You know what? I will get you arrested by the police and all nonsense people. The police will arrest you and I will deal with you. I will make sure I deal with you.
All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you all.